Good, beautiful morning to the YouTube community. We're back here at the warehouse with the uncle. He doesn't open Sundays, but we decided to say, hey, fuck it, let's come and get some work done. He's over there trying to pack some stuff. I'm about to go through. Let me show you guys real quick. So, as you guys can see, all these are returned things, you know, and these things, some of them still work, some of them don't work, some of them, you know, we got to try out and see what's up. And like I said, some things might go for parts and stuff, but I mean, just take a look. I mean, I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek of the inventory we got back here. And as you guys can see, look, these are all like Turtle Beaches, you know, really a name brand stuff. And the pallets, you're gonna get some other brands you probably have never heard of from, you know, outside of the country, you know, because I've seen some boxes that have like different languages and stuff, but they're good. The products that sell on Amazon and stuff, and so we flip them, you know. So the flip game, guys. Look at this big TV over here. Yes. So as you guys can see, I mean, most of the things is open box. You know, most of the things are in good condition, but like I said, you have to go through it. You have to see what works and what doesn't, and then post it and see if you can sell it. So right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through this coffee maker. I'm gonna go through it, see how dusty it is. Yeah, so I'm not sure about this one, but it looks brand new. Just looks like this, just really dusty. So what I think I'm gonna do is clean it. I'm gonna clean it, and then hopefully we can post it and sell it. Like I said, some things, like I was telling you, some things are gonna come broken, some things are not. And so if things come broken, you can either like part it out, sell it, you know, for parts, and try to make $1 or $2 off of it. And that way you don't take a total loss, you know, because look at all these things. I mean, most of these things are either, you know, just, you know, the microphone doesn't work, or, you know, the thing, you know, it's just not in fully working condition, you know. And so those things, people buy them for parts and stuff. So that's what we're gonna do, part those out. And then today I'm gonna go through this whole bin right here, and hopefully we can make this Sunday a successful Sunday. And I'll be uploading this vlog for you guys, so stay tuned. And if you guys are interested in doing this pallet thing, I mean, it's not that hard. It's really not that hard. Trying to find a local distributor that, you know, that sells pallets and stuff that you can buy in like bulk, buy like a big thing, and there you go, make $1 or $2, and then you can do it yourself. You don't even need a big warehouse like this. You can do it at the house. You know, there's online auctions you can do, and so do your information, you know, wherever you live, and then try to find an auction. And this is a great way to make money while you're sleeping, you know. Post some things on eBay, post some things on Facebook. Someone's gonna buy them, and then there you go, making money while you're sleeping. That's the thing, guys. Success, there's levels to the success. Got a good find right here. I got these Let's Come T22 earphones, and all brand new, working condition and stuff. I have gloves on because I don't want my oily hands leaving handprints. But as you guys can see, I'm trying to open this thing. Let me practice my engagement skills. Okay, there we go. As you guys can see, look at that. Yes, sir. And so it's still fresh, good find, good condition, no damage at all. Retails for like $27, I think I saw. So I'm gonna post it at like 20, 22, and then hey, $20 right there. Hopefully we can get it sold. Yes, sir. This one right here, brand new. Obviously not brand new, because if it's missing an ear pod, it was obviously used at some point. But good condition, but sucks because it's missing an ear pod, you know, so you can't really do anything. I'm not even sure if you can sell pods, you know, for parts, you know, because I think they're programmed for this exact one. So I'm not sure on that. But everything, actually, I don't know. Maybe the pod is in here. Maybe the pod is in here, but if it's not, either way, doesn't sound like it's in there. So yeah, guys, I mean, you get parts, you get good things, you get bad things, and when the good things are there, you know, it feels great, and then you got this, you know, and then you're like, fuck. But yes, sir. let's keep it going. All right, guys, hopefully you guys like that vlog. It was a short vlog. You know, I don't want to make them too long because I want the tension to be on the videos and stuff, and I don't want to drag it off too long. And if you guys like it, I'll make them longer. But please like, share, and subscribe, guys. I love you guys, and I love all my subscribers. The channel is still growing and growing, and I have a goal, and then we're gonna get there, and then the next coming year is gonna be our year. All right, guys, so take care and have a great day.